Okay, so others will be joining later. So we'll start our class. Uh, so like today morning, we have completed like we came to know about how we can load the data, how we can play with the data, how we can do statistics on the data, that is to find mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, and other statistics. Now, and even we came to know the count of values in the column. Like if I want uh, to know how many members are there in which location, or I've shown the example of location, right? Like how many people are there from Bangalore, how many people are there from New Delhi and other locations. So now we'll talk to some other different topic called sorting. So what is sorting? In sorting, what we can do, we can arrange data in ascending or a descending order. Like, so let's take example of location. In the location, Bangalore comes first, next Chennai, then other cities, as it is a sorting order. But what if I do a descending order, Kolkata will be at last, right? So it will sort in the manner of descending order. So in short, sorting is nothing but arranging the data from A to Z or Z to A. That means ascending order or descending order. Now, let us look how we can do. So df dot. So what we can do here, we want to sort data in ascending order, right? All are inbuilt functions. Sort underscore values. So what will sort age? Let us sort age. Okay, by. So let by equal to age. Small thing. Now, I've given sort values, age I've given, but what about the condition? Like it is ascending order, descending order, we don't know, right? So here I have to do ascending. ASCENDING, ascending equal to 2. Now let's see. So something here is there. Yes, ma'am. Generally, by default, is ascending, but I think I've done some mistake. Um, okay. Done. So, what was the issue? Generally, I have put ascending and true in the string, right? The true and false are Boolean. Since it is a Boolean, I cannot put in a quotes, single quotes or double quotes. So, df.sort values by age, comma ascending is equal to 2. See, given age 14, 17, 18, 21, 22, it is from ascending order. That is from small to big. So now let us take instead of let us take location, right? So when I take a location, see, age is different. I want location. So Bangalore comes first. So after Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi as a Bangalore location. But now I want in descending order. Simple. I just give ascending equal to false. So sorted, right? Now, same thing in descending order. I'll give age instead of location. Let me give S to make it more clear. 97, 82, 81, 72, 71, 69, 67. Only age column is from age, higher age to lower age. I hope it is clear. Any doubt?
No.
And now, okay, I have, let me take day after age. Now, I have customer ID, age, gender, location, and spelling code. Now, I want only numeric value or I want only non-numeric value. Like I want to fetch, like now I have only 5 columns. You can say that, oh, morning I've thought that DF, I can take multiple columns, right? But for if I have 100 and 150 columns, In the 150 columns, you cannot just copy paste or you cannot, no, I want, there's some in 150 columns, I have some 70 or 75 columns are numerical. I want, let's say, I want columns which are all the numeric. But you cannot just copy paste the column name, right? So, just small trick, df dot select underscore dtypes. What is dtype? This is the data type. Okay. Here, include number. Only age and spending column, which are numeric. Right. Now, okay, it's fine. I got a numerical. What if I want non-numeric number? Instead of include, just put exclude. You cannot find any numeric function. Customer ID is there, gender is there, location is there, which are non-numeric. And what about numeric? Include. The small difference. Whenever you want to give a number, you can give include. Non-numeric, exclude. Just two different columns. I hope I'm clear, right? Hello? Yeah. Okay.
Sir, clear,
Okay.
sir.
Now, I want to insert a new value. Like I want to insert a new columns. I have 5 columns, right? But I want 6 column. I want to add a new column. Let us hide here. Now I have customer age, gender, location, spending code. But I want to add a column age difference. That is, I'll take a maximum age minus each age of right. Maximum age is nothing but 92 or 97, right? So I want to subtract 92 minus 25, 92 minus 32, 99 minus 65. How you can add? Now just go small to small. I'll add a column age diff. Okay. Age diff is a new column which I'm going to add. But make sure that when you're going to add any column, it will affect only your DF, not your main data set or main DF. It will not ever affect. Now, just for example, I'll put 0, right? Or uh, age diff column is added, right? One more, and I update it to 0. Now, same column, if I want to do some operations, like as I told, I'll take a maximum age and I'll separate for each age. That is df dot age dot max minus df dot age. Good. Separated it. How we can calculate? Keep sugar my mistake. So HDF is added, right? That is in the last. Now what I can do, I want to replace. Yes, I want to just do the mathematical that df of HDF equal to df of h dot max minus df of h. Means what I'm doing, what I'm doing, I'm just doing max, right? Okay. So max function that is 97 minus each value. That is what is the maximum value here? Maximum h 7. Okay. So since maximum is 97, these values you will get 72. What is 72? 97 minus 25. Calculate. You will get not 72 only. 97 minus 32. You will get 65. 97 minus 65. You will get 32. So on. Like ages, original age is 25, 32, 65. Since maximum is 97, I'm separating each and every column with the 97. See, they are 0. How? Because 97 minus 97 is nothing but 0. Same it is updated. Fine. Like by default, until now it is clear, right? I can move forward.
Yes.
Now, fine, it is all good. Like
Yes, sir.
H column, HDIF column I have appended lastly. But if I want the HDIF column in the second or third column, that is, let us say, um, after the age, okay? So after the age, I want HDIF side only to verify. So what I can do, df dot, there's something keyword called insert. Here, two is a position. Okay. So I'll just took a column name. This HDF. Okay. Now I perform a operation. What is operation you need to perform? So since it's already exists, I'll take HDF one. Okay. So in the second position, what I can do, I'll create a column called HDF one. In that, I'm pushing all the values like 97 minus 25. That's 95 minus 32. You can just see HDF 72, the maximum is 72, 65 and 65 because that is last. But what if a customer asks or if a HR asks, like I want a column beside each so that I can verify easily. So you can so using this insert, what you can do, you can change the position. If I want two, I can do two. If I want three, I can put three. So here, first thing, position, position, comma, column name, whatever column name you want to add, and operation, whatever operation. So like now I gave df dot age dot max minus df of age. I can even do df dot age dot max minus df of age dot min. Like even I can find minimum age and maximum age. So up to you or up to your user, like up to a developer, how he can manipulate or play with the data. Until you're clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, fine. Well, for my question, I have age diff one. I have even a age diff two columns with different data. Only column name is different. But why unnecessary memory waste? Since data is same, I want to delete this column. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So age diff is the sixth column. Now I will delete that column. How you can delete a common column? Since you want to delete a column, df dot drop. Okay, I will give 6. What is a 6? 6 is an index number. Your axis equal to 1. What is this axis equal to 1 or 0? Whenever you give axis is equal to 1, okay, now maybe my screen is bigger, little bit bigger, so you can see easily. So what I'm doing, I want to drop a table. In this table, I will give axis equal to 1. What is axis equal to 1? It is for columns. Check. I have age different, gender, location, speed and score, customer, customer age. Now, if I will give df, age diff is there. Why? Because whatever operations you want to do, it will not perform permanently. To make it permanently delete, just put in place equal to 2. Check. Okay. So, HDF column is totally deleted, even permanently from the original table and even from temporary table. Only But if you want to delete a record, what you can do, you can put axis equal to 0 and which record you want to delete. Like, for example, just for example, I want to delete ninth record. Okay, I just don't want the ninth record. What you can do, just put ninth record I want to delete. I want 0 because 0 is for rows. I'll remove n plus 0 because I don't want to disturb original table. See, where is the ninth column? Ninth column is not available. It is totally deleted. But whenever you original DF, ninth column will be present because I didn't delete ninth record originally. Only temporary data, I want to check the temporary data. So temporary only it has been deleted. I hope it is clear. If any doubts, uh, ask me, I'll solve. Otherwise, I will go forward. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. And
Clear, sir.
now, fine. I have told that to drop a table, that is to delete or to drop a table singly. But if I want to delete a table more than single, like I want to delete rows, some 5 to 6 rows, and I want to delete 3 to 4 columns, which is not necessary. All we can do df dot drop. So let me complete rows first, then I will move to the column. What I can do, whenever you want to drop a multiple rows, always remember to add square braces, not curly braces. When you want to drop a single column, single value, no need of square braces. But whenever you want to drop or delete a multiple columns or a records, you want square braces. So 2, 5, 9, 10. So these are the columns I want to delete. So, comma, axis equal to 0. Why 0? Because I want records only, no? See what I told? 2. 2 record is not there. The fifth record is not there. Ninth record is not there. And 10th record is not there. But you can find these records in the original DF because I have not put an n plus equal to 2. Now let's come to the columns. Like I know rows had been related. Whatever columns, I'll just put age, gender, is also take location. Now instead of 0, I'll put 1 because axis equal to 1 is for columns. Custom ID, age diff 1, turning code. No age column is there, no gender is there, no location is there. I hope this is clear, right? Any doubts?
No.
Okay, fine. Now I want to have multiple columns using index, not using names. Like every time I can't use like one you will get copy page, but use names will be there on one time. Then why can't I can use index number to drop the values? Okay, fine. Until now we were playing with data. That So I've not given any conditions, right, until now. So what I've given, so many columns are given, so many data we are finding minimum, we are finding maximum, we are finding mean. So many statistics we have done. Now let us give some conditions. How? Like everyone knows about query, right? Query is nothing but what we can do. We can in MySQL it is a condition where we can fetch the data, but there dot query, there's a inbuilt function in the Python where we can give a condition without connecting to any database. Now, so let me give head. Okay. So in this, what I'll do, I want customer details whose age is more than 60. Okay. Just df dot query. In df dot query, I just put a condition is it greater than 60. Simple. Like there's so many inbuilt functions in Python, but only less people knows as they use even big for loop, big while loops to fetch data. Even if I want to fetch data for people who are fetch from Bangalore, for that also developers or coders will write for loop for I in range, where location is called to Bangalore, this many things. Instead of that, I can just write delete the query where age is greater than 60. That means whose age is greater than 60, only those paper details will fetch. Now I'll give 90 instead of 60, I'll give 90. Only one record, 97, more than 90. I hope this is clear, right? No doubt. It is very simple how to fetch data without writing any follow. Okay,
Yes.
now what I'll do? Okay, I want the details of the customers who are only from Bangalore, not from other cities. Df dot query. Okay, df dot query. Df dot query. Yeah, what I'll do? I want to give location. So double quotes location equal to again I have to give single quotes Bangalore. This is very important. Whenever you are going given a string that is not integer, non-numeric value, always make sure that you use double quotes and for a string or non-numeric values, use single quotes. Left dot query location equal in single quotes from Bangalore, and I've done it. I've got only details got fetched who are from Bangalore, not from other cities. Right? Okay, fine. Now single city is fine. What if I want for multiple cities? Let us say Bangalore or Hyderabad. What I can do? This is a OR operator in the Python. Means I need details who are from location Bangalore or who are from location for Hyderabad. So here I will give location equal to single quotes megabyte. Okay. See, today I've got some 8 records. That is 2 from Hyderabad and other 6 from Bangalore. Hope this is clear. Like this is easy.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want more than 2 to 3 conditions. What I can do, like even I want age also. Age, let's put age is greater than 75 I'll put, and this is an AND operator in the Python. Hmm. So I got age, gender, location, speeding code of Hyderabad. Now, when I got it from Hyderabad, why I didn't get from Bangalore? But according to me, query is wrong. See the data. Like I gave age is greater than 75. But what is the age 29 and 41? Right. What mistake I have done? I'll tell you what mistake I have done. Now, see, now when we are giving a multiple conditions, that is like I want location, I want age, what you can do, here I have gave age is greater than 75, right? This condition is satisfied. Okay. And I'm given bracket open. Why? Because the reason why I gave is this is one condition, right? And this is one more condition. That's what where I've done mistake. Age greater than 75. And here I've opened location equal to no, not bracket. Um,
After 75, we have to put a single colon.
Oh, here I missed it. Hmm. This is greater than 75. Okay. So I'll just remove this. I'll put an AND operator. And AND operator, I'll do location equal to Bangalore or location equal to Hyderabad. Cut only. What is the mistake? So upon type of it and the string and string, right? So in this case, mm, um, bracket open, this is open, this is closed, and this is closed. Okay, what I can do is okay, understood. Now, what a problem error I've done is here I given age is greater than 75, and here I've done a double quotes where I have to remove location equal to Bangalore or location equal to Hyderabad, right? I just Hyderabad. This is clear. From here it is clear. Now, yes, I got the point. Why? Index is null because location of the Hyderabad, no one customers are above 75. If same thing, if I put 20, check, you are getting the H. So in this case, what was a mistake I have done is like mismatch of double quotes and single quotes. Whenever you are giving a single quotes, make sure that next time you have double quotes, not single quotes. So even a small double quotes or single quote may make an issue of the query. So here age is greater than 20, right? 25, 32, or above 20. Location Bangalore or Hyderabad. So this both conditions are satisfied. Any doubt? Understood the query writing, right?
Yes.
Now I want to describe. I want to know full details about the dataset, whatever dataset I have. I want to check all details. I can do df dot describe. What it will do? It will give full information about your data, but small thing. It will give only numerical values, not non-numerical values. Descript will only support the numerical values and not non-numerical values. So here age is 27 count. That is age difference is 27. What will be same? Spending code is 27. Mean is 4650. Yeah, 308. So that is standard deviation. Minimum you have, that is minimum age, the maximum age. And coming to 25%, 50%, 20%, what is this? What is this 25%, 50%, or 75%? 70%, 50%, 70% are known as quantile. That is, whole data is divided into four parts: quantile 1, quantile 2, quantile 3, and quantile 4. That is, first quantile is nothing but 1 by 4, 0.25. Second quantile is nothing but 2 by 4, that is 0.5. 0.50. Now comes the third quantile, that is 3 by 4, 0.75. And coming to fourth quantile. Fourth quantile is nothing but 4 by 4, that is 1, which is not applicable. So 25% of quantile means like whatever age or whatever age dip or spelling so data is there, it is divided into 0.25 all data. So there is a mean. 50 is 0.50 and 70% is 0.75. This is not so important. No interview will ask, just for a small knowledge. And even in the programs also, never you will use this quantile. There's a small knowledge like what is quantile, how we can use. There's a small difference. Okay, fine. Now I have given numeric. What about non-numeric? Default will be integer, but I want non-numeric, right? How? Just you have to add one thing. Include equal to in the square brackets here object. Why? Because I've told you object is non-numeric values. So count, what is unique? Like all values are very single and no data is repeated for customer, right? So 27. Top is A00. First value is A001, right? What is frequency? 1. But means what is frequency? Like if I say uh, each data is repeated only once, so frequency is equal to 1. Now later gender. What is the gender? Gender is nothing but 27. Like total count of gender is 27. Unique is 2. That is male and female, right? Only 2, not more than 2. Male and female. What about top female? First record, what is the first record? Male. But the top, the one of the main, why I got female, the main reason is, as I showed you before, like female are 17 and male are 10. So it will take maximum number. Top is nothing but a maximum. So in maximum that is 17. So since 17 are the females, it will take female. Location is and frequency is 17, right? Whatever female is there, right? Female is repeating 17 times, as I told you. Male are 10, female is 17. So 17 females are there. Same location is 27 count. Unique are six locations, right? What are those? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. Whatever New Delhi, because New Delhi is repeating maximum of times. How many times it is repeating? 17, 7 times. 7 times New Delhi is repeated. I hope this is clear. No doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I know. Oh, fine. But what if I want combinations of numeric and non-numeric data? All data you need. How I can do, what I can do. Before going to that, like what I can say, if you want to find the unique records of the location, like I want different location. I know about 6, right? df dot location. I can give valid cons, but I want different location, like unique method. Unique. Bangalore, Chennai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad. All of these of which update data type object. Clear? Like very Python is advanced and it contains very inbuilt function. No need to write uh, so much complicated codes. As I told before, like people use a for loop, while loop because it's just some records. Only using some small technique that is unique is a function where you can find maximum. Now I want to find number of count. Okay, just add n. That's it. What is n? N is a number. 6. How Bangalore 1, Chennai 2, Delhi 3, Kolkata 4, Mumbai 5, Hyderabad 6. The total 6 unique locations. I've told before, and now also I have proved df dot location dot n unique remove this location. When it will work, whenever you want to verify some data and you have some lakhs of records or thousands of records, 40,000 of records, this will use very correctly. So this is clear, right?
Yes.
Now, as I told you, I want all numeric and non-numeric data, right? So how we can give include equal to, I can give one. You can see very cleanly. I told you for numerical, non-numerical data, count, unit of frequency is there. But for age, for numerical data, count, mean, standard deviation, then mean, minimum, maximum, and quantiles. Same thing. Count is same for numerical, non-numeric. Come to unique. Unique is there for customer ID. Okay, because unique is there for non-numeric, right? So non-numeric, non-numeric, non-numeric. For numeric, you have it is given not a number. N9 is nothing but a not a number, right? It is not applicable. Unique is not applicable for the numeric values. Even top frequency, wherever numerical data is that is age, fun, age, and speed and score, then you don't have calculations. Like it is a none. Coming to mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. For non-numeric values, you are getting NAN, and for numeric values, you are getting values because only some statistics will support for non-numeric, and some statistics will support for numeric. Clear? I hope this is clear. Whenever in real time, how we can use whenever they give to find a sum of a data and you want to store this data to a database again, you can just write a single line of this code, and whatever data is there, you can store in a one variable. Those variable you can push for the database. This is all I will teach you further when you come to MySQL connection, MySQL and database. It's a little bit advanced, so I'll be teaching you. And how these operations will use in the real time, everything I'll be telling you. So now it is clear, right? Now you don't have any issues, right? Now I want information about the columns. All or not none. Customer ID is an object, I told you. Age is an integer 64, as you know. Age diff 1 is an integer, as you know. Gender is an object, location is an object, space score is an integer. Like df.info will give total how many columns are there, how many not null are there, how many not null counts are there. Like all are 27 only, right? What are not null counts? I have 27 records. So obviously 27 will be there. But one mind doubt. All 27 means why all are will be 27. But in some cases, data will be missing in the real time whenever you will do machine learning data or whenever you have good data set. uh, Every time data will be not available. Data set will be missing. But there are some data and maybe some data will be deleted. It will be missing. So if I have some understand records on just for example, if I consider location of 7 and 10th record I don't have. 27 minus 2, that is only 25 count will be there for location. Plus 12 it will be 27 only. I hope this clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Now in the fetching of data, we will go to the last concept, that is group by. We know after this we can wind up. So it is very easy. What is group by? Why we are using group by? Coming to group by. Group by is a class where you want to group a similar type of a data. So I'll take an example. Like I'll take an example of chocolates. So you're going to a shop. There's a chocolates like Dairy Milk and Kit Kat. Devil chocolate is of 20 rupees and Kit Kat is of 20 rupees. Okay, now Devil I'll get 5 rupees also or 10 rupees also. Kit Kat I'll get 5 rupees also, 10 rupees also. So many categories are there. So according to that, even we'll go to the shop, even we'll ask the shopkeeper, I need 10 rupees Kit Kat and 5 rupees Dairy Milk. He will categorize. Like, or he will not mix 20 rupees Dairy Milk and 5 rupees Dairy Milk at a time. He will keep a separate box. In one box, he will keep all the 5 rupees Dairy Milk. In other box, he will keep 20 rupees Dairy Milk. This is clear, right? So same thing group by. What I can do in this group by, so I'll take a gender. I want to group gender. What is gender? Gender, we have male and female. Right. Now, the mathematics, how we can do? We can find minimum age, maximum age, and mean of a gender, of a age of a gender, but we'll group. Like we will not do individually. We can group. Df dot group by So make sure that column should not be mismatched. Dot age. Fine. Until it's clear. Now I want minimum. Female 14, male 17. Means minimum age of a female is a 14, minimum age of a male is 17. Just I'm grouping. I'm not fetching separately, that is male and female. First, what grouping will do? It will group all the females once, all the male one, and from all the females, it will fetch only minimum age, and all the males, it will fetch minimum age. No, I want max. Simple. Female is 97, male is 71. It's also same thing. Female, it will group all the females at a time. It will group all the males to other box. In the one box, it will find what is the maximum age of a female. It will fetch. Or in the other box, it will find what is the maximum age of a male. It will fetch and it will display. Now, I will give average. That is not nothing but 10. For female, it is 48.88. Male is 41.90. One thing I want to clear, in Python, we have something called floor and fill functions, like 48.88. 88 decimal, whenever decimal value is more than 5, you can just round off for 49. Now 41.90, it is also more than 5. So I can round up to 42. If it is less than 5, then if it, for example, 48.25, then round figure to 48. Okay. When it will convert to integer, 100% you will get. This also I'll teach in the further class. All this is clear, right?
Yes.
Now, I want only gender and location. And for age, I want to mean of what is the condition. I want to group by gender and location, like multiple columns. Whatever I have done, this is single column, simple. But I want multiple columns. What I can do, what I said, just put parameters. Or flying is it will be very easy. Like instead of mean, or let me take meaning. See, female. It is grouping female. It will give Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Same for men. Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi. It is grouping female one side, male one side, and female. It is connecting each and every location. Mapping, it is mapping each and every location. It is giving for each and location. It is giving minimum. And for Bangalore, minimum age is 14. Chennai, minimum age is 49. All are from females only. Same thing for males. From Bangalore, 25. Chennai is 69. Hyderabad is 29. Mumbai is 23. New Delhi is 17. They're all the minimum age of all the males in particular locations. Easy, right? Until now, any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Fine. I've made mean separately, median separately, mean separately, max separately. What if I want to find minimum, maximum, count, mean at a time in only one column? I just want aggregation. In simple way, I can do aggregation. Simple. So what I can do, gender, I'll take AGG, that is my aggregate function. In this, what I can do, since I need multiple aggregate functions, here I'll put age. Fine. H colon. Okay. H colon. Here again I'm separating. What I want now, what I need minimum, I need maximum, I need mean, I need count. Now something very simple, right? Wherever I need mm, so what is the mistake I've done? That is the gender.agg. So under agg, since I have multiple columns, please my gender age is correct. So it does not match opening parenthesis. So equal to this syntax. Mm, next. Okay. As we are taking in key value pair, we have to use log brackets. So I'm taking age in since age as in our dictionaries, that is key value pair. I'll come to that also. Like what mistake I've done is I'm looking for some other issue, but we have to give square flower brackets. Since we are taking an agent column and we are giving column, nothing but key and value type. Yeah, okay. So I've given gender, that is female and male. Minimum is there, maximum is there, mean is there, count is there. Like only gender. Right. So what is the minimum age of a female and maximum age of a female? What is the mean? What is the count? You can even give median, mode, and other things. But each and every mistake is countable. Okay. So whenever I'm giving in column, that is a data column, nothing but it is a key value pair. Whenever we come to key value pair, we always try to give square brackets, the flower brackets. And when you want to fetch multiple columns, then you can do square brackets. If you want to drop or do an operation with one column, then you can do curve brackets. Clear it? Any doubts?
No.
What about others?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, today's morning recording I already sent, and today's class recording I'll be sending soon, and with even the notes also I'll send today or by tomorrow, so that you can practice. So if any doubts is there for today's section, tomorrow's section, that is today's section, that is morning or afternoon session, you can be free to ask me or you can ask in the group. So can I wind up? No doubts, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just wind up.